Hello everybody, I am Alisha and welcome back to Ceramic Pro Kochi. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am here with a brand which is at the top selling of the industry. The brand which is specifically engineered for India. The brand is none other than Kia. Just about a year ago, the Kia Motors started its journey in India. Yet the brand became so popular. We all know Kia Seltos streaming everywhere. Now it's time for the brand to build a strong start with all new Kia Sonet. Kia Sonet, the compact SUV. The imposing car which is easier to drive. It has a list of reasons to buy. It's all about the symmetry that Kia Sonet carries. It's wonderful. It is undoubtedly the 2020's hottest launch. The car grabs the full attention detailing grille, surrounded with the chrome, the 16 inches alloy wheels, the heartbeat front and rear lamps. It's all set together to make it super stylish and to turn the head on the road. When we go out to buy a car, the things that strike our mind is safety, comfort, refinement and style. So we get all this together in Kia Sonet. Kia Sonet comes with Tech line and more premium GT line, just like Seltos. We will perform all the essential steps to make sure we get the beautiful finish and the amazing reflection on this beautiful Kia Sonet. So we will be doing the Ceramic Pro treatment on this beautiful car and we'll showing you the process how we do it. So without involving much into it, just go and enjoy the video and I will catch you up at the end.
You see the money and get high. Take me to the top. You see the money and get high. Baby, in the dark. Got a mansion in my heart. Oh, got a mansion in my heart. I work hard for mine. Now say bring me in let's close our eyes. I'm feeling now take
So guys, I am here with the final look of Kia Sonet post Ceramic Pro treatment. Look at this beautiful gloss and shine. Moving through all the stages of Ceramic Pro treatment, this amazing reflection is in front of you. The color has came up so beautifully and will be consistent for coming years. All the parts of this Kia Sonet is protected with Ceramic Pro. The paint, chrome and the grille parts are protected with Ceramic Pro 9H coat. The plastic parts are protected with Ceramic Pro plastic coat. The wheels are protected with Ceramic Pro wheel and caliper coat. The glasses are protected with Ceramic Pro glass coat. Together with all these coats of Ceramic Pro, this wonderful Kia Sonet is protected against all kinds of environmental damages. So guys, our customer is now ready to be fearless on road. So if you want to protect your investment, we welcome you at Ceramic Pro Kochi. So yeah, make sure you enjoy this video and I will meet you again with lots of wonderful cars at Ceramic Pro Kochi.